Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jack who had big dreams of becoming a successful entrepreneur. However, Jack had a lot of self-doubt and often felt discouraged because he didn't come from a wealthy family or have any connections in the business world. One day, Jack came across a small seed while walking in the park. He picked it up and thought to himself, if this tiny seed can grow into a towering tree, then surely I can achieve my dreams too. Inspired by the seed, Jack started working tirelessly towards his goal. He read books on business, attended networking events, and even took on odd jobs to save up money for his own venture. Despite facing many obstacles and setbacks along the way, Jack persevered and eventually launched his own successful business. He became known as a true innovator in his field, and his company quickly grew to become one of the most profitable in the industry. Looking back on his journey, Jack realized that the little seed he found in the park was a symbol of his own potential. Just like the seed, he had to start small and work hard to grow and achieve his goals. The moral of the story is that no matter how small or insignificant you may feel, you have the potential to achieve great things if you believe in yourself and work hard towards your dreams. So, never give up on yourself or your aspirations, and always remember that even the smallest seed can grow into a mighty tree.